Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a put to call ratio chart in TradingView. The put to call ratio is a simple but powerful sentiment gauge that compares the volume of put options to call options. Values above 1 suggest more puts than calls, often reflecting caution or fear, while values below 1 suggest more calls than puts, usually indicating optimism. Understanding this ratio gives you insight into market psychology. When the market feels uncertain or fearful, more traders will buy puts, a bet that the market will go down, whereas more calls signal that traders are optimistic and expect upward movement. Setting this up correctly in TradingView lets you quickly spot shifts in crowd sentiment and add context to your market analysis. This is especially useful if you're a trader looking for extra clues or confirmation for your trades, whether you're working with stocks, forex, or even cryptocurrencies. First, select the put-call ratio symbol so your chart displays the ratio directly. Use the main symbol search at the top of TradingView and look for the official put-to-call ratio listing provided by a reliable source. TradingView offers this functionality for a variety of symbols, so choose one that's credible, such as one from the CBOE, Chicago Board Options Exchange. When you choose it, your chart will switch to a line that tracks the ratio over time. This line makes it easy to spot patterns and understand whether market sentiment is shifting from cautious to optimistic, or vice versa. If what you see looks flat or empty, don't worry. Make sure you've selected the correct symbol and that your chart is on a reasonable time frame for your needs. For example, the day-to-day view is common for sentiment analysis, but depending on your trading style or strategy, you can switch to a longer time frame, such as weekly or monthly, to analyze broader trends. This allows you to see how sentiment has evolved over time and helps with understanding market cycles. Next, go to the Indicators button at the top left and click it. This opens TradingView's Indicator and Strategy library. Here, you can complement the symbol you've already loaded with a put-call ratio indicator. This is useful if you want the ratio calculated or displayed consistently, regardless of the symbol you're on, or if you want to verify the data source against the symbol you just selected. By adding an indicator, you can visualize the ratio alongside your price data, which is especially valuable for spotting correlations between price movements and changes in market sentiment. In the search field that appears, type put-call ratio. Now, search for the put-call ratio and select it. Choose a reputable built-in option if available, or a trusted source you recognize. Once selected, the indicator will appear on your chart, typically in its own pane beneath price, allowing for easy comparison and analysis. You may also want to adjust the settings, such as color or line thickness, to suit your preferences and make it even easier to spot trends. You should now see the line reflecting the put-to-call data. If the line looks compressed, that's normal. The ratio often fluctuates around values like 0.7, 1.0, or 1.2, but extreme values can sometimes indicate significant shifts in market sentiment. For example, a value above 1 may suggest fear and caution in the market, while a value below 1 could indicate optimism. You can hover over the line to read exact values and watch how they change over time. From here, interpretation is key. Higher readings can signal defensive positioning, where more traders are hedging their bets, and very high spikes may indicate extreme fear or panic selling. On the flip side, very low readings may signal complacency, where traders are overly confident and not factoring in potential risks. The ratio is most useful as context, not a standalone buy or sell signal. Pair it with your existing tools and risk management. For instance, if you see a major drop in price accompanied by an increase in the put-to-call ratio, it might indicate panic selling. But this could also present a buying opportunity if you believe the market is overreacting. Similarly, an uptick in calls during a price rally could validate a strong trend. And that's all. Your put-to-call ratio chart is set up in TradingView and ready to guide your sentiment analysis. By keeping this tool handy, you'll be able to quickly gauge overall market sentiment and make more informed decisions when entering or exiting trades. If you incorporate the put-to-call ratio with other indicators you're already using, like moving averages or RSI, it can provide valuable confirmation and give you an edge in your trading strategy. Thanks for watching and enjoy your charting.